Hi there. Today we'll be unboxing and taking a closer look at this adorable solar garden vase, a turtle statue light with a succulent shell. Opening up the box, inside we've got a couple of documents first, and then the main piece is safely encased in a protective cardboard shell. First up is the documentation. We have a customer support card and a simple user manual. You can give these a quick read. Nothing complicated, just the basics. Now for the main star, turtle. And wow. First, look at that face. That smile. It's honestly so lovable. Now let's look at the shell. The shell is beautifully designed with vibrant succulents built right into it. On the bottom, there are four non-slip points, so it sits steady wherever you place it. Now let's flip it around. On the back side of the shell, you'll find the solar panel and the on and off switch. Simple and clean design. Let's flip the switch on and cover the panel, and wow, it lights up instantly. No delays, no setup stress, just immediate warm glow. Now for the best part. Let's turn off the lights. And there it is. The turtle just comes alive in the dark. That soft, warm glow from the succulent shell spreads beautifully, and honestly, it feels very magical. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.